Hi there, welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. It's a new year. Well, as you can see in my garage, it is February, it's early February in Zone 9A, and it's time to get started with a new garden. So I have begun my seeds. You can see on my seed starting table back here, I've got my tomatoes and peppers and some herbs coming up, and they're doing great. I just thinned them today. I planted them 9 days ago on a Saturday, so that'd been 10 days ago, and I had to thin them already. So things are going well. It's unseasonably warm at this moment, but we're going to get a cold snap. Last frost day is actually either today or tomorrow. Maybe it was yesterday. Anyway, this week is the last frost on the almanac, but I don't trust that just yet. I could put plants out this week, next week, but I'm going to wait till these guys get about 10 inches tall before we transplant them to the garden. It helps to get the garden ready as well, which I haven't done, so that'll be next on the list. So that's what we're doing. Same thing we did last year, except we're going to expand to include different vegetables this year. We're going to grow some corn, some cucumbers, some beets and other root crops, and we're just going to grow whatever we feel like it. Try to get a fall crop out this year as well. I had sworn off buying more fig varieties, but I couldn't pass up some cuttings that came available just this week, and I have some varieties that I've never had before, and I've got 11 cuttings. I'm going to be potting those up today as well. And I've got a new product I want to talk about, because when I went and planted when I did my figs and my grapes last year, I put a name tag on them, and I would use a Sharpie marker to mark on the white plastic, but the sun bleached everything out. And you know, that can be a real downer when you don't remember what kind of variety you have. So I was always trying to keep up with the bleach and read what was on there and write it over again and put a new tag on there. But I found these things, they call them embosso tags, and they're industrial data markers. So I don't know that they're specifically for plants. It actually says outdoor storage and valve identification, lab analysis, anything that you want to stay marked. And they're these little pieces of metal with a cardboard insert. And as you write on them, you can see that the pen makes an impression. Well, the impression doesn't fade, so these will last, and they'll last you without fading. And unless somebody comes along and wads them up, you'll always know what you have with these kind of cuttings. So I'm going to use these on my fig plants, my blueberry bushes, my muscadines, and that way I shouldn't forget what they are, unless somebody just decides to swap them around and play a dirty trick. But there they are. These are nice little products. I have no stake in advertising products, but I will give you advice when I stumble upon good things like this. I found these referenced on one of the Facebook fig groups. So that's a good product. That solves a problem I had, and I wanted to share that with you. Well, welcome again to Black Gumbo. This is a new year. We're starting. This is my first video of the season, and I wanted to show you around what's going on and give you an update and hopefully inspire you. It's not too late to start if you don't have a garden, if you've never gardened before, if you just want to grow some things in a pot. It's a good time to do that, and hopefully we can learn together. Bye-bye.